Silo sila ngayon.
They can cast me.
Kamak. Yo, kill these guys in the front, oh. Okay. Yo, they're walking up, oh. Put the Pinosi. Spread, boys, spread. Ready defenses. Okay. Defend shallow. Yo, everyone, bro, start brawling. Everyone start brawling deep. Everyone. Okay.
Gala.
Start brawling deep.
May Gala sa'yo.
Gala backline.
Gala backline. Okay, Gala no damage. Kill the Gala backline. Heal me. Kill the Gala backline. Okay.
Wala nang ito.
Oh, you're ready for engage again. Okay. Spread a bit.
Patay mo Gala previous.
Spread a bit. Okay, hold lang.
Gala dead.
Ready defenses na. Be careful east side. You're too far. Heals up, boys. Heals up to the backline. Ready defenses. Okay, ready defenses. Defense now. Defense shallow. Everyone walk up in ball. Brawl backline. A lot of low backline. Kill backline, please. Okay, good. Now spread. Heals up on my people. Help send. Yo, heals up at the back also. Heals up at the back. Come southwest, boys. Come southwest a bit. Ready defenses. They're gonna look. Ready defenses. Kill these people at the west side, okay? Yo, heals up, boys. Heals up southwest. Okay, you're ready defenses. They're gonna look here. Defenses now. Okay, start brawling. Keep brawling backline. Keep brawling backline. Here in the front.
Kaya pala akong may heal di.
In the front. Keep rolling, guys. Keep rolling. Clap this. Keep rolling. Good. More infernals. Okay, good. Now spread again.
Papahil
So,
kami yung
engage is coming soon. Get ready. Hold
nyo muna sa Terry konti.
pull and Terry. Yeah. Pull and Terry. Engage is coming. Get ready. Okay, pull it. Engage is coming. Hold. For my healers. Hold, boys. Hold. Yo, defense now. Everyone walk up in brawl. Brawl in the front.
Tad.
A lot of flow in the front. Good. More damage. Good.
Looking ah.
Heals up. Kaka-engage lang nila. Pa-engage na yan. Get ready. Spread now. Spread now northeast. Ready defenses, okay? Ready defenses. Hold. Yo, they're looking now. Ready defenses. Good. Good sub. Hold them more northeast. Everyone. Full brawl now. Everyone full brawl. Hold. Tap them. Kill everyone. Yeah. Kill everyone. Kill the low. Just one low.
Ayun.
Infernal in the middle. Kill this guy. Good. Okay. Yo, help the backline. Okay. Yo, they're gonna look again. Ready defenses.
Bus naman ako.
Ready defenses. They're gonna look again. Def tanks, get ready. Def tanks. They're looking west. Ready defend west. Okay. Hold lang. Defense in the northeast. Okay, everyone brawl now. Pahold nga sila. Hold them. Keep rolling. North side, boys. Brawl north side. Hold them at the choke. This shit's good. Hold them at the choke. Oh, good. Just brawl. Kill the people at the back lane, okay? Kill the people. Loud blow. Alright. Heals up. Yo, ready defense. They're gonna look here. Ready defenses, okay? Ready defenses. Don't clump up too much, boys. Spread a bit, okay?
I think they're running.
Okay, yo, catch everyone. Yo, west side deep. Catch this west side deep. Keep rolling. Catch everyone, boys. Catch everyone north deep. If you're at the back mount up. Catch
Try
everyone.
ko mag-loot ah.
Yeah, loot.
Yung iba
Loot killing. Everyone get ready. Northwest deep, ah. Keep catching.
Grabe naman kayo mag-simot na simot eh.
Cute.
Ito northeast may tumatakbo. Come northeast incline. Come north incline. Somebody's running here. Bully mo yan ang pro. Huwag patakasin yan. Ang pro.
Okay.
Catch him, man. Catch him. Go. Catch him.
That's profit time.
Bro, wala akong mana. Maling
We
game
only
na
had
sad ko.
we only had 3 healers the whole time.
Ay, come on. Everyone. Matar. No need for mark there. We fucking brawl this shit out. What?
Yun lang, ubos na sila.
Tapos na.
Tapos na? Tangina. Pumikit na ako, tapos na. Yawa.
Everyone drops wait, let me check what loot tab is missing. What loot tab is empty.